A histogram is a column chart that measures the frequency of data in a dataset, and specifically groups numerical values into bins we define. Recall that we previously created a column chart to compare counts of categories within a dataset. This kind of chart answers a question like, how many players are there in each playing position in the league? But what if we want to ask the question, how many players made under 1 million in salary and between 1 and 2 million and between 2 and 3 million in salary, etc.? This kind of chart is a histogram, and the groupings we choose, such as all salaries between 1 and 2 million and salaries between 2 and 3 million, are the bins. There are two ways to do this in Excel. We'll start with a method that works on both Windows and Mac, using the Histogram tool in the Analysis Toolpak add-in. Instructions for loading the Analysis Toolpak add-in are given in the Getting Started instructions. The second way is a simple Insert Chart method, available for Excel for PC. I'll show you that too. The Toolpak histogram requires two columns of data, one for data you want to analyze and one for bin levels that represent the intervals for the bins. In this example, I'm starting at 1 million, then 2 million, etc., up to 15 million. When I create the histogram, the number of values in the salaries list that are below 1 million will be in the first bin. The numbers of salaries between 1 and 2 million will be in the second bin, and so on. To create the histogram, choose Data Analysis from the Data menu on Windows or from the Tools menu on Mac. Choose Histogram, which opens a dialog. For the input range, select the data from the salaries column. For the bin range, select the bin intervals you've created. If you have a label at the top of your columns, as I do here, click Labels. For the output options, select New Worksheet and Chart Output, and press OK. Excel will analyze the list and create a count for the bins on a new worksheet, and then create a column chart to match it. The second method is only available in Excel on Windows. Just select your data and click Insert, Recommended Charts, and choose the histogram chart. To configure details about the bins, right-click the horizontal axis of the chart, click Format Axis, and then click Axis Options. The dialog provides options for choosing categorical data like the player positions or automatic for numerical data. You can specify the number of bins, which you might choose to experiment with a bit. If you choose bins that are too narrow, the result can be noisy. On the other hand, too few bins will hide details. Here, as always, think about what you're trying to learn and convey about the data, and use that as your guide for making these determinations. As with other charts, design and layout can be further customized from the Design menu when the chart is selected.